Oh, you're here. Sorry, I couldn't see you. Actually, I was seeing a movie. So, while seeing a movie, I saw a monster. That monster was looking like something like wolf and then something like human. Of course, that was a werewolf. And then I thought that can it exist? I mean, can werewolves really exist? And if they do, I would really like to meet one because it makes me think of a hero called Wolverine somewhat. I know he's not werewolf, but he looks a kind of werewolf only. So back to the topic. After lots of research, I got to know that there's a mental state, a possibility that human can think that he is a wolf. So today we will discuss about that only. Can it really happen that a person changes into werewolf, a person changes into any kind of animal and still be a human being?
Like a Hellcat.
Hi. So today is about lycanthropy. Lycanthropy is defined as a rare psychiatric syndrome that involves a delusion that the affected person can transform into, has transformed into, or is an animal. From the 16th century, all around the ancient times, everyone has believed, not everyone, but people have believed that there is a curse which causes many people to become werewolf. The medical science has defined this curse as lycanthropy, in which the human being thinks that he will become or he has become an animal, projecting all the instincts of the same animal which he or she has thought to become. Wolves belong to the family Canidae. Canidae families are usually omnivores, but because of living in the jungles, the wolves have become carnivores. So, eating flesh and somewhat doing murders and bloods are their instinct. People who think of becoming wolves usually want to eat flesh, usually want to drink blood because they have seen them or they have thought them that wolves do this. Imagining werewolves, you must imagine about thick hair all over the body. The thickness of the hair is 100 times more than the thickness of human hair. The condition of thick hair all over the body is called hypertrichosis. It is a rare and curious condition that causes excessive hair growth anywhere on a person's body. Hypertrichosis is sometimes known as werewolf syndrome. Searching on the Google, searching on the web, you will know that this is also known as werewolf syndrome. Many times, many people think of murdering someone because of their badness, because of the things they do to them, and this causes them to think how can they do it without letting anyone know. The person who thinks of murdering someone usually thinks of different peoples being killed. Many times this can happen that a person who wants to murder someone may know a person who was killed by an animal, especially the animal uh, who is said to be who is said to become a man. There is no other good example than a wolf. Wolves are a sort of man and wolf, the hybrid of man and wolf. So, thinking of that, they might see movies or they might read about werewolves and suddenly they want to murder someone and suddenly they got a news that some wolf has killed the person, and they make up their mind that werewolves can exist, and if any animal has killed that person, no one is gonna see, no one is gonna arrest an animal. And overthinking this situation may cause them to this lycanthropy. And this lycanthropy, and this infected person of lycanthropy can kill that person by wolf instincts like biting or scratching, or many things are there by which a wolf kills animals. So, talking about existence, werewolves can exist, but thinking about long hairs, yes, that is also possible. Thinking about long teeth, that might be possible, because a brain usually gives the resources which are in their body to reconstruct or regenerate the things which have been damaged. Our brain cannot do this at a very big level because we don't have that much energy. The human beings don't have that much energy. But talking about teeth, uh, calcium can be given more to the teeth to grow it, but that is also not possible because the gaps between the teeth are so less that the growth of the teeth is not possible. But as everyone knows that we have canines, so biting someone with canines is easy, and that can hurt a lot. So basically, werewolves can exist, but not that type which we see in the movies. Movies in Werewolves in movies are badass. They are high level wolves. They are basically wolves who can walk on 2 feet and have a human like torso. But talking about those werewolves, it is actually not possible. But a mental state causing werewolfness is possible. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments, hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And downside, please look at the down, there. You please subscribe my channel because there's something new every day. Every day you will get something new. So if you like this type of videos, please let me know in the comments, and hope you best of luck. Don't forget to study about lycanthropy and also hypertrichosis, because these two are rare and curious conditions. You will definitely like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I hope you liked this video. There are many reasons which can turn a human into a werewolf. Please let me know in the comment box if I missed something. Thank you.